Hello everyone, I am Amir Khan, currently pursuing LLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So today's my presentation topic is relevance and features of diplomacy. So diplomacy is a national backed or acknowledged form of government instrument to achieve cooperation and prevent conflicts amongst the nations. A new nation turns into a full dynamic individual amongst the group of countries solely after it gets recognition or acknowledgement by the existing nations. Thus, the relevance of diplomacy and also the reason behind the mere existence and practicality of diplomacy is to address the state or nation in the host nation. The key function of diplomacy incorporate a varied number of points like representing, negotiating, symbolizing, reporting and protecting the general interest of the public. What is the definition of diplomacy? So the definition of diplomacy is there are the various definitions of diplomacy and it's nearly related with foreign policies, but there is a difference between both by considering the ways of instruments incorporated between regulating such policies and also by way of the presence of content in it. As per Lincoln and Padelford, diplomacy is the process of representing and negotiating by a state to deal with another one during the time of peace. The word has basically been derived from the French word diplo plus ma, meaning folded into and on object, respectively. The features of diplomacy depending on the various factors. The various features would further include a lot of factors to be included, like the nature, objective means types of diplomacy and nature and more. Nature diplomacy is not immoral but a machinery for action acting through settled procedure in bilateral and multilateral form both. It deals with every sort of matter and in its absence or breakdown it leads to a crisis. It works during conflict and cooperation both. It's a source of establishing national interest and is always backed with national power at its core. Objective, there can be two objectives associated with it, political or non-political. Means of diplomacy, the relevance of diplomacy depends a lot on the means and it adopts to get implemented. There are several devices out of which 6 mains are persuasion, rewards, promise of rewards, threatening forces, non-violent punishments and use of pressure. Types of diplomacy, there are basically 2 types of diplomacy, a traditional diplomacy centering mostly around European countries, be new or global diplomacy. So basing on these points, there are various key features of diplomacy. The general or most important features are imperative to be written down. G.R. Barrage and Alan James characterize diplomacy as the conduction of relations between sovereign states from the way of the authorities based at home or abroad. The primary objective of diplomacy is to execute international policies and accomplish its essential interest through tact, representation, communication, channels of information, diplomatic negotiation and diplomatic privilege and immunity. So these aforementioned points, there comes the salient features of diplomacy are accelerating globalization, bringing in new participants in globalized relations and bringing in information techniques and internationalizing of domestic politics. There are various salient features of diplomacy. They accelerating globalization and bringing in new participants in globalization relations, bringing in information technique as per Richard Grant in the democratization of diplomacy. The new technical advance would not observe the reasoning for diplomacy and diplomats. The diplomacy by its actual nature, it's a continuous cycle which does not loan itself effectively to short-termism which requires knowledge, judgment and skills. So these are the relevance and salient features of diplomacy. Owing to these points, there is an absolute imperative need of understanding why and how important diplomacy or diplomats are. Unarguably, this is one of the best instruments ruling on nation and foreign rebels, and conserving the interest crucial to this instrument is further important. So this is all about diplomacy, and this video is not for any promotion, advertisement and any kind of promotion fee, advertisement etc etc. This is only for education purpose. So if you have any question related to diplomacy, please mention in the comment box, and please like this video and subscribe Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.